Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a lemonade stand in Adopt Me. First, launch the game and head into your house. Once inside, open your inventory by clicking the Stuff icon. Navigate to the Food tab within your inventory. This is where you'll find all the delicious treats and items available for purchase. Keep an eye out for the stand as we move to the next step. Now that you're in the food section, scroll down until you spot the lemonade stand. It's a popular item, so it should be easy to find. This handy stand costs $50, so make sure you have enough in your wallet. Once you've located it and confirmed the price, go ahead and purchase it. It will then appear in your inventory, ready for placement. With your new lemonade stand purchased, it's time to place it. Exit your inventory and enter Edit House mode. From your inventory, select the lemonade stand. You can now place it anywhere on your property, inside or outside. Feel free to get creative with its placement and even add some decorations around it to make it more appealing to potential customers. Your lemonade stand is now set up and ready for business. Simply walk up to it and interact to set your desired price for a cup of lemonade. Other players can then approach your stand and purchase a refreshing drink. This is a fantastic way to earn some extra bucks in Adopt Me, so get ready to serve up some sweet success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.